There's a new AI tool in town. It's called Jumprun, and I've done a demo on it, which you can watch straight after this video. Now, it's a ChatGPT LLM type of engine, but it pulls from different sources. So you can pull from YouTube, from Twitter, from Google search, or from particular websites. So have a look. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Here's a new tool for you all. It's called Jumprun. It's an AI tool, and I'm just going to give you a very quick demo. There's very little information about it out there, but it's like ChatGPT, but like super boosted. Okay, so again, it's free currently. There are some plans on the way. They're not in there yet, but it's free at the minute. So jump on in there and give it a go. So it's a little bit like ChatGPT and Gemini and things like that, where you give it a prompt. But this is a little bit different. It pulls in assets from different sources. So when you initially join, you'll see the Jumprun onboarding, which shows you how to do it all. So it's fairly comprehensive. Comprehensive enough for you to get started anyway. So let's see 3 of their examples. In fact, before I do that, I'm going to show you a new canvas. So you give your new canvas a title. Gives you some prompts here in grayed out text. So why are you building this canvas, for example? And it's given examples there of what you can put. So you put your instructions in there, and I'm going to go back and show you the instructions that I put in for LinkedIn. You've got smart mode here, which is recommended, and DIY mode here, where you can put the elements in manually. Now, the elements that I'm talking about are these sources here. So you can pick from different sources. You can pick a website, a web search, a YouTube channel, and X, so Twitter. Okay, so if you want to follow what people are doing on certain channels, or you want to find on it on a certain keyword, you can do. So I've done a mix on my example, which I'll show you in a second. Now here, this is the only information I've got, because the Learn More button just pops this up. So useful to remember facts, numbers, and other details between refreshers. So you can refresh the canvas yourself, and all this will become clear when I show you what I've done. Or you can actually boost 4 times and it automatically keeps it up to date for you every day. You can enable notifications there, which will come through to your inbox. Okay, so I'm going to come off that. I'm going to show you some examples of what it's done. So here we've got product hunt updates. And if we have a look at the canvas, you can see what the prompts are. So it says, give me updates on the latest product hunt updates. I also want a timeline of the number of products released by time, 3 different categories. Not very well worded, but smart mode. I'll come back onto this canvas boosts, and then they've updated the canvas, and it comes back with these answers. So these are the top products launching today, and it's pulled this not only from a Google search, but from wherever the sources were. Hopefully you can see the sources here. If you click data sources, you can see that they're looking for Twitter from that user there on YouTube, and a website there. So it's very, very sort of narrow. So it's really honing in on one person or one source of information. So here you can click into any of these and it opens up in a new tab. It gives you all different types, and it also, this is quite neat, it also gives you sort of statistics, new product launches, and so on. Tech gadget reviews there, same again, and it will pick some YouTube videos out and some statistics to see what's the most popular. Places in the world that are relevant, key locations driving innovation in the tech world, and more statistics again, and a few more updates here. Again, you can click onto any one of these. We will consent there. From a personal standpoint, the Japan trip planner, if you're planning to go to Japan, I know you can do this in things like Gemini and ChatGPT, but this actually, I think it just goes a little bit further. Even to the point of your daily walking estimates, if it's planned you a day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, and it will show you exactly where you're visiting here. Okay, so really, really neat. Shows you the top attractions and a relevant video. So pretty good. Just before I show you mine, what I did on LinkedIn, we've got 84 boosts remaining here. I had 100 at the start before I did mine. When you refresh this, it actually refreshes the data, which again, I'll show you on mine. But the boosts, I can't find anywhere where it shows you where the 100 boost runs out in what period of time. So I don't know whether that's monthly, weekly, or whatever. So again, there's very little information like this out there because it's a fairly new tool. So let's go to my LinkedIn, and this was my canvas. I want to keep up to date with the latest tips on LinkedIn. Give me quick tips and tricks from all sources on the various sources I have listed. Focus on how to grow your community and sell on LinkedIn. Show statistics on the best performing posts. So like ChatGPT and other LLM engines, you have to give it, the more you give it in a prompt, the better the answer is going to be. I've gone for smart mode. I've gone for just the one. And this is what it's come back with. So it's given me some quick tips, which I asked for in the prompt. So it tells you where the sources are there. Again, you can tap into any of these. Why grow your LinkedIn network? Again, source there. Interested in top LinkedIn post types for lead generation? Video is first, image, visual, and then text only with the engagement level. So let's go and change this prompt. So let me just show you the data sources first. So LinkedIn, web search, growing your LinkedIn connections, and youtube.com. So let's just refresh this now. It does take a little while. There's a little on the left here, you can see there's a little time dial, so you can see what's happening. And I'll come back when it's finished. So that took about 2 minutes to do. It's full now. And then you can see that it's given us more sources, and this has stayed the same, but we have new ones here. Why grow your LinkedIn network? And it leads to another site. How to get connections on LinkedIn. It sends us to a YouTube video. And how to grow your network on LinkedIn. Top 7 tips to scale. Again, a YouTube video. So this is useful. You can do it for anything. You could do it for, looking out for what competitors are up to. You can look out for a new business model you might want to explore, a new revenue stream. Hope you found that useful. Sorry, it's not a full in-depth one, but literally it's the one of the trending AI tools at the minute. So get yourself over there and sign up for a free account, and we'll wait to see if more information comes and how much the extra boosts are going to be when they release that.